Dapat po bang madaliin o kailangan masusing pag-aaral pa po? You are been to politics and now you're still in public service, so I'm sure ang concerned din yung mga tao. Ano po ba, sir?
As a public servant and as a businessman, I am always pro-business. Anything that will uplift, isa sa mga batas na nagawa ko yung 4Ps, yung pagtawid pamilya. At thank you. Ang role nito is yung ating mahihirap or yung below poverty from 25% ibababa natin to 9%. Ngayon nasa 16 na because of the Pantawid Pamilya Program, which is to explain, this is my chance to explain. Nung ginawa namin itong batas na to, these are the same conditional cash transfers na ginagawa sa Latin America and sa Indonesia, sa Vietnam, na ino-augment natin or binibigyan natin ng pangatlong meal o pangatlong pagkain ang ating mga kababayan sa isang araw. For a person or a family of 5 earning 13,000, you have to augment it. Government has to put forward its foot and augment it by about 5,000 or 1 kilo of rice per day. So, anything, bakit ko sinabi yun? Anything that will progress yung kabuhayan ng ating mga kababayan, it's always a plus for me. Now, ang tanong naman dito, whether they will do it correctly, that's the government. Executive na bahala doon to see kung environmentally sound ba yan, kung meron ba yan na labag na batas, so it's the executive. But we need a lot of, I'm an economist also. In terms of economy, we need drivers. No? Pag sinabing drivers of our economy, ano ba magdadrive? No? Puro na lang DPWH contracts ang nagdadrive ng economy natin. Diba? Kasi you need internal spending. Alam niyo sa amin sa Congress, we look at things na pagka gumastos ka, may times 3 parati yun economically. Kunyari, nagbigay ng kontrata si gobyerno. Kaya public spending will always give your GNP higher. Pag gumastos si gobyerno ng 1 million pesos, yung 1 million na yun, pupunta kay contractor, si contractor pupunta sa supplier, si supplier bibili ng kung ano-ano. So may triple effect yun, times 3 yun sa ekonomiya natin. Kaya anything that will bring in cash from the outside, okay, na iikot dito sa ating ekonomiya. Let's say, for example, $1 billion comes into the Philippines. That comes into the Philippines fresh cash that will support our economy. Makakakuha ng trabaho, makakakuha ng pambili ng kung ano-ano. And those are the drivers that we need. But whether yung Paxilica, government has to have yung support mechanism and yung mga defense mechanisms dyan para hindi tayo ma-exploit masyado at saka hindi siya maging environmentally sound siya. So, it's always a plus, I think. Thank you.
Okay.